Hello and welcome back to the channel. And today on Ham's Views, we're going to check out a couple of waterfalls. We're currently on our way to COAC Falls outside of Fredericton. Then once we're done here, we're going to go into Fredericton, pick up a few things, and then head our way to, what is it? Split Rock Falls. So once you park on the side of the road, make your way about 550 meters up the trail. To the left, there will be another trail with a big log across it, and that's the trail you take to get to the falls. This is the big log that should be across the road, right here. So once you come up this trail a few hundred meters, it says take the trail to the right, not the left. Also, while out here on this hike, I'd like to mention this is private land, so if anyone else comes out here after seeing this video, please respect it. Don't throw your garbage around, just enjoy your hike and have a good time and go see the falls. So now once we're up here a couple of hundred more meters, we'll take this right path. So now that we trekked a couple kilometers into the woods, we've now made it down on the trail that leads us directly to the falls. So we're gonna make our way down there now.
So much mud.
So here we are at COAC Falls. We have arrived. Now that we've seen the bottom, we're going to make our way to the top of the waterfall and see what it looks like from up there. We've now arrived at the top of the waterfall. Yeah, pretty much. Little waterfalls leading to the big one, eh? So that's COAC Falls outside of Fredericton, New Brunswick. Thanks for following along on the journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. See you later, guys.
I believe you both getting up there. It looks like you're a lot easier. Oh, that water's cold. One meal a day means you eat once a day. One meal a day?